morning, God has blessed you through this fire altar. God has answered you through this fire altar. And you have a testimony that you want to share with us today. You want the people to know, you want the world to know of what God has done in your life, how God changed your story.
Can I just say, on behalf of New Season's Prayers and Prophetic Declarations crew, and our dear Papa, today would have been possible if you didn't come. Thank you for coming. Turn to your neighbor and say thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. You defile the odds to come.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
Yes.
Do you remember that story? There's this lovely story in the Bible about a man, 4 friends, carrying their friend in a stretcher. And they had to beat through the crowd, came to where Jesus was, opened up the roof to let their friends down.
Yeah.
Some of you had to break your roofs to come here today.
Yes.
Oh yes. You had to push through to make it today. Defend the odds to make it today. Welcome. Welcome. I can hear you. Welcome.
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 I don't know about you, but I'm very excited about what God is set to do in this place.
Whether there be coverings, whether there be chains, whether there be shackles, whether it's your history, whether it's an arrow, whether it's your personal weakness, whatever it is, at the sound of your amen, I announce they are broken right now. At the sound of your amen, I announce he made from everything that brought you shame. He made from every obscurity. He made from every bondage. He made from every level lower than you. He makes your congratulations. Allow me, the Lord said to me, the spirit of congratulation is here. I call the name. Beginning from tonight till another 7 days. Let there be a sound of congratulation. 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 Please lift up your 2 hands wherever you are.